Negligence is not an appropriate defense in tax, right?
Well, let me give you a scenario then.
Yeah.
Let's just say we go to Komodo, Las Vegas, and I spend $5,000 on a meal.
Yep.
So let's just say I cover it.
Yep.
Okay. So let's just say we do that in the beginning of the year, and then let's just say people end up Venmoing me for their shares later on, but I completely legitimately forget that they Venmoed me a couple bucks to like help a little bit.
Yep.
So then taxes come around and I legit, like to me, I paid for that dinner. And I go to you and I say, hey, like I paid $5,000 for the dinner. Is that a write-off?
Negligence is not an appropriate defense in tax, right?
That's a really solid point.
Yeah, negligence is not an appropriate defense, right? Just because you forgot that something happened doesn't allow you to do that thing. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
If you pay for the business meal and then they want to give you a little bit just because the meal was so expensive, you need to report that difference on your tax return.
Right,
like,
right.
For like a lot of my clients that I do bookkeeping for, I tell them, make sure you get that Zelle back from that client, and then we will just offset that meal deduction on your tax return.
Got
See
it.
what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But that's also why that abatement rule exists.
Yeah, I mean,
Right?
the abatement rule also doesn't help with like actual tax fraud. It only helps with like if you didn't file your taxes correctly, if you didn't pay your taxes, but any like criminal intent or something like that.
I just forgot to report the Venmo, and I'm a criminal now.